Hi guys, hope you guys are doing great. So today is the time for another point to ponder upon. And today's point is, should permissible limits be permitted? Whenever we are having processed food, packaged food, we come across terms called permitted flavors, permitted colors, permitted additives, and so on and so forth. So when we say permitted, all these stuff, does it really mean that it does not have any ill effect on our body? Because who decides these permits or permissible limits? Our body has not told anyone that these are permissible and it won't harm the body in any way. So these are just statutory thresholds that one needs to maintain and has to be kept below that. But does it really mean that it has no side effect on our body? Let us take an example, another day to day example. For example, our cars, pollution, they pollute. But most of them have pollution certificate because that's a mandatory requirement that we must have a pollution free certificate. But does that mean that our car does not pollute? Or does it mean that it pollutes within permissible limits? So the logic is that every car will pollute to some extent or the other. It's just that a prescribed limit has been set, a so-called permissible limit, and that it pollutes within that. And it definitely has an impact on our environment, right? All of us know that. So all the cars, all the factories, etc., whatever are the pollutants in this world, they all are running under permissible limits, right? Otherwise they would have been shut down. But isn't still there global warming? Aren't the glaciers still melting in our poles? The North Pole and the South Pole, aren't the glaciers still melting? So then what are these permissible limits? So permissible limits does not mean that it has no side effect. Just like in case of pollution, all the cars, all the industries are working within permissible limits, but still we are having the problem of global warming and still our glaciers are melting. Similarly, in food, in packaged food and in processed food, while they are within the statutory norms, it does not mean that it is not having an ill effect on our health, on our body. So it definitely has all these permitted flavors, permitted colors, permitted additives, permitted preservatives, etc., etc. They all will have some or the other form of ill effect on our health because they are all chemical based. They will go inside our body and convert in the form of toxins, and that will be giving the birth to diseases. So this is just a point to ponder upon. Again, there can be difference of opinion, and that's always a good thing to have, because with good argument and good debate we can come to a better conclusion. So I'm not giving any judgment on this thing. I'm just giving a point to ponder upon, that do you think these permitted limits should be permitted, because they must be having some or the other ill effect on our health, and hence how are they permissible? Great guys, thanks a lot for listening. So this was the point to ponder upon for the day. Again, do let me have your feedbacks on this, your comments, your ideas on this, and the more we discuss, the better aware we are, and the more aware we are, and better decisions we can take for ourselves. Thanks a lot guys, thanks a lot for listening and watching. Until we meet again, be healthy, be happy, and be safe. Thank you so much.